myself Mridula. As students, in the last video we have discussed about interest on loan and rent paid to a partner. Now today I have taken two questions in which few points are there that whenever there is a loss, then how to treat with interest on capital, then whether it is provided or not. And in the second question, I have taken question number 22nd and 23rd. In the 23rd question, profit is there, but that is not appropriate to give the proper interest on capital, then how the treatment is to be done. So let's start with our first question. This is question number 22nd. In this question, the things given, A and B, two partners are there, and the profit sharing ratio 1:2. The capital investment 4 lakh and 6 lakh. Interest on capital is to be provided 10% and interest on drawing is to be charged 12%. And then drawings are given A and B, but in this question net loss is there before providing these adjustments. Then how to treat with this? So whenever the loss is there, no interest on capital is provided, no salary, no commission, nothing is given. Okay. Then interest on drawing is given, so that will be you can say income for the you can say firm. So that is why it will be credited to our in P&L appropriation account. So that is why I have made not the P&L account but the appropriation account. Firstly, the loss is there. Here I will write down net loss here by interest on drawings A and B, 30,000 and 50,000. So whenever %, the question is silent about the date of drawing, then we calculate and we take average period of 6 months. So it means 6 upon 12. 1800. In the same way, here we are calculating for 50,000 also. 50,000, 12%, and here also for 6 months 3,000. So interest on drawing will be 1800 and 3,000, 4,800. No adjustment for interest on capital, salary, commission, nothing is to be provided as there is loss. So the net loss that will be transferred to the capital account. So simply by 60,000. So the difference, it will be the divisible loss for A and B. The divisible loss, it comes to be your 55,200, and it will be distributed between A and B in the ratio 1:2. It comes to be 18,400 and 36,800. So in this way, we are going to solve our question whenever there is a loss. Clear? Now come to our second question. Again, one new point is there, very important question. In this question, two partners are there, X and Y, and their profit sharing ratio is given 3:2. Their capital investment is given 10 lakh and 5 lakh, and you have to provide interest at the rate of 8% per annum, that is given, or net profit before any adjustment. Yani only one adjustment, interest on capital is there, that is given 45,000. So simply we will start with our question. I write down here by net profit 45,000. Now I am going to calculate the interest on capital. 10 lakh, 8%, 80,000, and here 5 lakh 8%, 40,000. Total 1 lakh 20,000. Now a very simple question that arises, whether it is possible to give interest 1 lakh 20,000 out of the profit of 45,000? No, our answer will be no. 45,000 profit में से हम 1,20,000 interest दे नहीं सकते. So it means in case such situation arises, it will not be given in the question, but if the profit is less than the amount of interest or salary, then appropriation is done. Appropriation means we'll find out the ratio between these two. 80,000 और 40,000 कितना interest है उनकी ratio calculate कर लेंगे. 2:1 आ गई. So इस 45,000 profit इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिटवीन A एंड B इन द रेशियो 2:1. तो इट मीन्स 45,000 को 2/3 और 45,000 का 1/3, 30,000 and here 15,000. It means हम 45,000 प्रॉफिट में से सिर्फ 30,000 A को और 15,000 B को ही इंटरेस्ट दे सकते हैं, इससे ज़्यादा हमारे पास अमाउंट ही नहीं है. सो विल राइट डाउन हेयर इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल X and Y. Instead of writing 80,000 and 40,000, we are going to write down 30,000 and 15,000. This is called appropriation of profit, means only up to the 45,000 we can distribute our interest, not more than this. This is called appropriation. I hope both these points are clear to you. Solve the examples also, and if there is any doubt you can send your query in the group also. Thank you and have a nice day, and in the next video we'll start with our next topic, interest on trial.